Previously at the encounter,
we should know how to touch the hem of Jesus' garment, that we may receive something out of it at the end of the day. This lady came to Jesus not as whole, but as a broken person, as a person who was bleeding, as a person who had something lacking in her. Now, which is the reason why many give excuses not to be in the house of God. Maybe because you're not perfect, maybe because you're not yet right there, maybe you're not at the place where you are supposed to be. But you have no excuse not to be in the house of God, not to touch the hem of Jesus' garment. Because he said, for this cause I have come for the unrighteous. So there is no excuse for anyone out there not to be a part of what God is doing. It doesn't matter what your weaknesses have been. It doesn't matter what has broken you, what has not worked out, what has disqualified you in the eyes of many. But in the eyes of God, you have been qualified in a certain way. This lady, this bleeding issue had scattered people around her. Because she had this issue, nobody was close to her. I'm sure she had no friends. So I believe she was a lonely person. She was a person who was in distress, and a person who was in pain. A person who had suffered rejection because of this issue she had had for 12 years. And now she meets Jesus, who makes her whole. Now, this is the reason why the gospel is being preached. This is the reason why we are going for missions. We're not going for the whole people. We're going for those who have been broken, those who the world has rejected, those who have been identified to be evil and left for the world, for death, and left for the things of Christ, not to even touch them. They have been outcasts, and God is sending us to those people, and He's telling us it is for that cause that these men shall be made whole. They shall be made whole. They shall receive life again, just by the touch of that which you have already received in Christ. So when we are going out there, you are going as an ambassador to heal those who have bleeding issues.
join us every Wednesday for this amazing experience of encountering God at the fireplace. Do not be left out. Share the link with your loved ones or come physically at my Place of Rest Ministries. We believe that you'll be blessed. Thank you.